How to YouTube live stream on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube live stream from your PC. Whether you're gaming, hosting a Q&A, or sharing your latest project, going live on YouTube is easier than you think. Before you can go live, you need to make sure your YouTube account is verified and live streaming is enabled. First, go to youtube.com/verify and follow the steps to verify your account if you haven't already. Once your account is verified, head over to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture and selecting YouTube Studio. In the left-hand menu, click on Settings, then Channel, and finally Feature Eligibility. Make sure live streaming is enabled. Next, you'll need streaming software. OBS Studio is a popular free option, so that's what we'll use today. Go to obsproject.com and download the version for your operating system. Follow the installation steps and once installed, open OBS Studio. Now let's configure OBS Studio for your YouTube live stream. In OBS, click on the plus sign under Sources to add your video and audio sources. This could be your webcam, game capture, or even a screen share. Arrange your sources within your scene. You can resize and move them around to create the perfect layout. Go back to YouTube Studio. Click on Create at the top right and select Go Live. This will take you to the YouTube Live dashboard. Under Stream Settings, you'll see a stream key. Copy this key. Now that you have your stream key, let's link OBS Studio to your YouTube account. Click on Settings in OBS and then select Stream. Choose YouTube as your streaming service. Paste the stream key you copied from YouTube into the stream key box. Click OK to save your settings. You're all set up. Now it's time to go live. In OBS, click on Start Streaming. Your stream will now be sent to YouTube. Back in the YouTube Live dashboard, you'll see a preview of your stream. Once you're ready, click Go Live. And that's it. You're now ready to start live streaming on YouTube from your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching.